Why mathematics and machine learning? You might think that you can just copy code and use libraries, but if you really want to understand, improve, and create models that reliably work, math is your secret weapon. In this video, we'll see why math is not just optional, it's essential for ML. Mathematics helps us understand how machine learning models learn patterns from data and make predictions. Linear algebra lets us represent data as vectors and matrices. Calculus explains how models adjust their parameters to minimize errors, and probability helps us quantify uncertainty. Without math, these algorithms remain black boxes, but with it, we can truly reason about how they work. Math is crucial when models don't work as expected. By analyzing cost functions, gradients, and statistical patterns, we can identify why predictions fail, adjust parameters, and systematically improve performance. Instead of guessing, math gives us the tools to optimize models efficiently and make them accurate and reliable. Mathematics allows us to go beyond copying existing models. Understanding the formulas and principles behind algorithms lets us design new architectures, create custom solutions, and optimize models for better performance. This foundation enables innovation, turning ML from a tool we use into a field where we can create and solve unique problems. Math is used in machine learning in many ways. Linear algebra handles data representation. Calculus drives learning through optimization. Probability and statistics guide predictions and uncertainty. And logic or discrete math underlies algorithms and decision-making. Together, these areas form the foundation that powers every ML model, from simple regressions to complex neural networks. If you ever felt that machine learning looks like magic or black box code, that's not a talent problem, it's a math gap. In this series, we're going to close that gap step by step with real intuition, real examples, and no hand waving. If you actually want to understand ML instead of memorizing libraries, subscribe and stay with me. The next video is where the real work begins.